So over here, you can see that I have certain number of blogs which are posted right here. So what I can actually do is I can unpublish them and republish them whenever I want as well. For example, I can go ahead and click on manage blog posts for that. And here you can see that I have this particular blog right here, which is in a published state, as you can see. I can simply go ahead and click on unpublish right here as I want, click on different buttons right here, and those particular blog posts will be unpublished just like that. So if you want to go ahead and republish it out again, let's say for example, then you can simply go ahead and click on publish button right here as you need, and they will be live again. But if you were to go ahead and unpublish this out right here, let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and unpublish certain blogs out. Then if you were to go back, you don't see all of the blog posts right here because they are unpublished. But you can go around over here and publish it out once more as well. But if you absolutely want to go ahead and delete out a blog post, even from the draft right here, then you can simply go around onto more option and then go ahead and delete the blog post out right here. So you can go around right here, delete it out right here, and the blog post will be gone for good. But keep in mind that while doing this, the blog post that you have will be permanently gone. There is no way to recover it out inside of Strikingly at the time of the date of recording. So this is how you can go ahead and then unpublish, republish, and delete out the blog inside of Strikingly as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.